Quick, what is this video about? Time's up. What about this one? Plot twist, they're both about traveling Egypt as a woman, but only one of them actually made you want to click. Here is the brutal truth. Your video does not matter if your thumbnail sucks. You have exactly 2 seconds to grab attention and pitch your story. If they don't click, they don't watch. It's as simple as that. But creating killer thumbnails from scratch, let's be honest, takes way too much time. Well, it used to. Today we're testing Async's AI thumbnail generator. It is completely free to try it out, and it does cut your content creation time in half. No Photoshop, no Canva, no stress. I created 4 of these thumbnails with it, and today I'm showing you exactly how. Just hit the link down in the description to open the tool. You can follow along and let's get into it. All right, first things first, we're gonna head over to Async, hit start editing for free, and then select AI thumbnails. Now here's where you're gonna get a little creative. You can upload up to 4 reference images for the AI to work its magic on. So you could take a screenshot of a viral thumbnail that you already love, and then you can have the AI swap you in as the main character. Or you can use an AI image generator like Nano Banana 2 and create something wild. Think wrestling a crocodile or King Kong scaling a skyscraper, for instance. Or you can upload a product image if, let's say, you're doing a review or an unboxing. And lastly, you can upload an image of your face if you want to be included in the thumbnail. Then all you have to do is tell the AI exactly what you want. Be specific. You can explain the video premise, and you can add in what text you would like to include in the thumbnail, and you can even tell it to change your facial expression based on the photo that you uploaded. Pro tip, if you suck at writing prompts, just do a brain dump of all of your ideas into Gemini or ChatGPT, and then ask it to write a clean, detailed prompt for your AI thumbnail generator, then copy, paste, done. Finally, you get to pick your font style and then choose your overall visual style, and then click the Analyze Assets button. Now the AI will get to work. So what it does is it analyzes your assets and it serves up 4 distinct concepts. Now you need to pick the one that is closely aligned to your vision, and then it's going to generate 4 final high-res versions. But as we all know, AI isn't perfect, it needs a human touch. So if something is slightly off, don't worry, we're going to polish it later. So select your favorite, and then you're going to click the pen tool here, and now you can start tweaking. So if you want to swap the font color or move an emoji or delete a background element, just type that change into the prompt box and then hit apply changes. And you can do this as many times as you need until it's perfect. Now, once you're happy, we can hit download, and then you're ready to upload. Just a tip, you can actually go back and you can download a second version too, and then that way you can A/B test them on your channel and then see which one actually pulls you in more views. So if you do want to increase your click-through rate without stress, I will put the link to the AI thumbnail generator right down below. Go try it out, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!